Welcome back, YouTube. Wait, there's no welcome back. It's the first time we've seen you. Anyways, my name is Bobby. This is
Angel.
And we are A to B Adventure. To join us with that is our shuttle bus. Our shuttle bus that we picked up in September. So it's actually been a couple months now. And it's a 9340 Econoline shuttle bus. And it actually has around 69,000 miles on it. So we got pretty lucky, actually. Come on in, we'll show you what we're working with. Well, now that you guys have seen a little bit of the bus, we're gonna get to work and have all the fun in the world, I'm sure. So, let's get to it. All right. Couldn't find one the right size, so we're doing the best we can. One-handed. Ooh. Well, hopefully all the bolts will be like this. We can actually get her done. Boom.
And while he's doing that, I'm going to be taking out all these little screws up here so we can take this all down. Enjoy. We're probably going to end up needing a few of these.
Another chair down. 4 more to go. Big ones. Just little ones now. Well, we did the little ones, I guess. Oh, that's where the jack handle is. I've been using the other thing. seat. Another seat there. Alrighty. We got 3 seats out so far. All the screws pretty much in the roof. And we'll just keep on trucking. I actually think you gotta get those 2 bolts down there. Haven't been too hard. Huh. How have your bolts been?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? No struggles yet.
Fingers crossed.
Yes, fingers very crossed. What are you doing?
Waiting for my screwdriver.
Waiting for a screwdriver? For what?
Take this off. Thank you, thank you.
Ding! This one needs to be. Ta-da! You can do anything with a big wrench. Ain't that right? Right? It's a crescent wrench too. You only need one. Old trusty. Lucky. Another seat, babe. Not here. Not here. You wanna? Oh, you're busy. Okay, good. I got it. Whoa. See this floor? Alrighty. Well, alright. So, we're gonna keep this seat in there so we can still go get supplies. And so I think we're just gonna be unscrewing the floor and I don't know. Find out. We gotta get all this ugly insulation out. It's real bad. And we gotta seal the outside. That's a big one on the list. There's your ugly insulation. And you see we have a little rust that we're gonna try to seal up a little bit. Isn't that right?
Yep.
Yes. So, we're gonna keep moving. What's under this? Oh. We were worried about this and we're kind of expecting it at the same time. And it looks like we're gonna have to redo the subfloor. It's not looking good. I can put my finger through it. Keep wishing us luck. up my piece.
It's passed in my way. I'm gonna take out all these screws down here and all this paneling.
More screws. This episode has been sponsored by All Screws and Seats. That's about it. It was only a matter of time till we ran into one of these. We're just spinning. So I think I am going to have to go underneath the bus now. And Angel gets to have fun up here, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can at least start them for me. They're not really hard.
No luck. Alrighty. One rail down. Got the other side railed down. And we have the seat connected to it. I guess we can take this back rail off. You want to try to get this seat off?
Yeah, we can try to do
Or
that.
still haven't tackled the seat.
Yep, still haven't tackled the seat yet.
Alright, we're out with this thing. One rail down. Let's see.
This is our pile.
Oh yes. A fun pile.
How do you feel?
Good. Good. Discovering a lot of the unknowns that you've been curious about for a long time.
The bus is looking a little naked now.
It's coming together. One step at a time. Say goodbye to the TV. Boom!
Oh, these ones. I missed all these.
It's time to take out the TV. I think it's just these two screws right here. I'm gonna leave these wires hooked up until I can cap them off. So, that's kind of what we're looking at here. What do you got? You got more screws? More screws. You think? It is broken. Look at that. That was hanging on for dear life. Boom! Anybody need a TV giveaway? TV giveaway? 5 subscribers, TV giveaway. Just kidding. That's a big one. That'll work out. TV mount for you. Oh, rust falling from the ceilings. Well, I guess I could take this sheet off. Maybe. Now I can look.
Is that pipe you barking?
No. They're off the front.
It's like a boxer bark.
That does sound. That might be Viper.
Is a dog coming through the fence again? I have a little dog back there that sounds like he's always getting killed. And I whistle because I feel bad for him.
Spicy. I think I'll look.
Probably where the... I don't know what to say.
Taking off the corner panel.
Yep. Taking out the quarter panel.
And while she's taking out the quarter panel, I'm going around and I'm taking out all these lights. We got one right here, and then we're gonna go through and take out all these speakers as well. And took off this earlier, and it revealed a little more of a rust problem. We'll get it all cleaned up though. Huh.
Yep, we don't stop till the sun goes down.
That's right. That's right. Alrighty, that's it for today. That is about all we're gonna do, I think. So, got all that done, and we're pretty much all empty now. So we're gonna do flooring, rip out all this insulation, and that'll be on the next episode. So make sure to catch us on the next one. And this is A to B Adventure. My name is Bobby. This is
Angel, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram at A2B_ADV.
and we'll catch you on the next one. Adios. You.